Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you the BlueStacks app player. So the what BlueStacks is basically a super emulator. So instead of having to run the game on our phone every time, we can basically use this super emulator to run the games on our computer. And so BlueStacks is basically almost like a virtual Android phone. Instead of the only difference is you can't really use the phone with it. All you can do is play games and download apps. But that's all we really need to test our game. So to use this, all you need to do is they have a Mac version and they have a Windows version. If you're using Linux, they don't have it for Linux yet, but I think you can run it under Wine. I'm not sure that, but yeah, if you're using a Linux, then you probably have to stick to the regular emulator or use your phone. But for you, those of you guys on Windows and Mac, just simply download your correct one that you need for your platform and install it. And installation should be straightforward. You should not have any trouble with installing it. It should be easy. Now, once you finished installing it, there's a few things we need to do. So the first thing you need to do is you need to navigate to your Android, wherever you installed your Android project or your Android the SDK. So mine's here. Mine's ADT bundle Windows blah blah blah, and that's my Android SDK. You want to click on that and go to the SDK folder, and you want to go to Platform Tools, and you should see like a little executable file here called ADB. Now we need that. We need to use that. So just go ahead and copy this entire link. Just copy that entire link. Copy. And then you want to go to your command prompt. I'm using Windows 8, so I'll go to CMD and hit enter. And what you want to do is you want to just do CD and paste. And so that way you go directly into that directory and hit enter. Now once you're in here, if you see this Stack Overflow question here, it's basically someone actually writes out how to connect it. And it's a few things that work for different people. Some people it work with this number, some people it work with this number, some people work with this number, and some with this number. So I believe one of these worked for me. I'm not really sure which one it was. It was a while back since I did this. I think it was the 5555 though. Not really sure. But for you it could be this one. So you can just try different ones. So all you need to do is just basically copy this line here, Control C, and paste it into the ADB, the command prompt. Just simply paste it. Control V. Actually, go to, let me turn on my, just edit, paste. Whatever, I'll just type it. So just do ADB, and you want to do connect local host, and then just try 1001. And as you see, I don't know if it worked or not, because like I said, I already pretty much have mine connected. And actually just ignore this screen here. This is pretty much my, whatever. So just type in, so yes, I think mine's already connected, so I'm just getting this because it's already in use. But just keep trying different numbers, and I believe it should like say connected. It should, like, once you figure out what numbers work, it should basically say like connected or host connected or something like that. So just keep using that command, and if that one doesn't work for you, try all of the numbers here, and one of them to work. I believe this 555 won't work for me, so just try all of them. And once it works, what you'll be able to do is then you can actually go to your sorry about this, guys. I was actually editing a video while I'm recording this. So once that works, what you can do is you'll be able to open up your BlueStacks player by hitting start BlueStacks, and what will happen is that when you try to run your game, you'll see it show up in the select Android device window, which I'll show you in a few seconds. And here's my BlueStacks player here, and I basically want to go to run configurations, and I want to go to Android application. Actually, no, I want to go to run and run as, is it Android application, like that, and maybe try to launch a new emulator. If it does, we'll just simply stop it right in its tracks. So yeah, now you just want to go to run configurations, and once it loads, I probably should have waited. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to do go to target, and you want to do, oh, it's already selected for us, but if yours isn't, you want to just make sure you do always prompt to pick device, so that way you can always select what device you want to use, and hit apply, and then hit run. So let's see if our game actually works. I'm not really sure if it does or not. I think we set everything up right now for it to work. If it doesn't work, then in the next section I'll be showing you guys how to get it to work. But you know, let's just run it and let's see what happens. So just go to run, and you should see this pop up, emulator 5554. Oh yeah, by the way, if 555 doesn't work for you guys, then try 5554. That may work. I think that's the one I used. And just click that and then hit OK, and you should see it run. As you see there, oh wow, there it is. Haha. Yep, it pops up. Our game's working. As you see, we don't really see the main menu. Well, why is that? Well, we can actually fix that really quickly. Hit OK to this. Hit yes right here. Hit OK if you get that. So let's go to our main menu class. We forgot to attach the main menu scene, and we forgot to call it too. So we actually forgot to set it. We forgot to do this set child menu scene equals menu child scene. Set this to false, true, and true. And we forgot to call this, so we need to call this here. We need to do create menu scene, just like that. And let's try to run it again, and we should see the play button pop up this time. And run it on your BlueStacks player, and there it is. There's our play button. As you see, it works when we click it. Boop 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 boop, and our background is attached too. So awesome, guys, good job so far. We are halfway through. We actually the fun part really starts now, because we actually start getting into some gameplay, which should be awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next lecture.